Before I wrap up today, I will talk about the human dimension of nature-based solution. Nature-based solutions only succeed when they are co-designed with the local community at the core. The top-down approach to nature-based solutions often fail for a number of reasons, which includes that they often ignore cultural values, local knowledge, community priorities, land use realities, and livelihood patterns of local people. But when communities are involved in co-designing nature-based solutions, maintenance becomes easier, benefits are equitably shared, the solutions reflect real lived experiences, and ultimately the projects last longer. This is where nature-based solutions intersect with climate justice, especially for vulnerable groups, informal settlements, coastal communities, and low-income neighborhoods. Getting local people involved in local decision like nature-based solutions planning and execution is a great way to address societal inequality